It's a transit. Yeah, so we're now collecting the transit. It's just said this timing changed the 150,000, so I think maybe they're changing them every 50,000. Yeah, I think when it comes to timing belts, I think that's the best. After 100,000, every 50,000. I used to change them every 40,000 anyway, because some of these timing belts, you never know. You can't trust some of these brands. Why is the window not going down? Yeah, so just gonna start it up anyway. Don't have a camera mount. Where can I mount it? There's the maize mill highway and high nons. But pretty good LED line. Yeah, you can lift this gate if you want to and clear off all the rubbish. Full crab with no seats. Yeah, seen better days. Don't know what material they use for this, but with time it just, ages away. 150 miles of abuse. Few scratches over there. The leather is really strong, still holding strong. And the doors. Cup holders, yeah, they're a bit filthy. What they call it? There's our tailgate lifters and the switches. Card holder over there. Fancy radio. Cigarette lighter is a bit far from the passenger. They still use this to build. That's amazing. They have these in the transit. Connect. Yeah, I was talking about these. They're still holding up well though. But I mean, too many moving parts for the dashboard. Oh, this is where the other part is falling. It's still there though, but I think that's the only weakness with this dashboard. Not so sure what these LAN cables are for, or what this one was used for before. Maybe police. Nah. Or maybe I had cameras. It's got a captain's chair, this one. Yeah, captain's chair. Got seat covers though. Traveling in style. It's a work van. That's why I'm wearing a work suit, so I won't mind getting myself dirty. Steering held up proper well. Not even a scratch, well, just things, but this one's made proper. Yeah, pretty good vans. It's a transit. Yeah. Yeah. We're getting close to the motorway now. It's now a bit cloudy. So the inevitable has just happened. Well, tried my best, to be honest. I called my colleague. Well, it is what it is, to be honest.
Is our dedicated travel line. Thank you in advance. We'll have another update for you in half an hour. Right now, turn to BBC News. From the BBC Sounds app on your
I do prefer using the radio traffic update when traveling long journeys. At least it helps you know what's going on when you are not using the GPS. But I usually put the GPS anyway. But they usually give you a detailed report.
Let's get your latest on the roads this morning. Good morning, Al.
Good morning. Traffic doesn't seem to be easing at the minute if you're on the M60, so 2 lanes are closed at the minute.